Hello everyone! Halloween is coming. Today we will use Bucktool's power tools to teach you how to make unique wooden skulls and show your creativity. First, choose the right wood, such as pine or fir, as both are easy to carve. Use Bucktool's woodworking saw to cut the outline of the skull. The saw is very powerful and makes this step easy. Next, use Bucktool's bench drill to carve out the skull's eyes with meticulous precision to ensure a perfect shape. After that, use a carving knife to carefully modify the eyes to increase the three-dimensional effect. Finally, carve out the shape of the beak and nose to make the skeleton more personalized. Use Bucktool's sander to sand the edges to ensure every detail of the skull is smooth. Finally, add some color and decoration to the skull, such as coloring it with acrylic paint or adding some fun details. Now it's your turn. Use Bucktool's tools to make your Halloween skull and unleash your creativity.